Hello everyone, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, can you check out the other YouTubers? Okay, so this is for the second time I'm recording this video because of some issues it couldn't be recorded. So yeah, uh, the cards are already there, so I'll be explaining you again. But one important thing guys is that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details are given in the description box below. The second most important thing guys is that if you want to book one-on-one person's reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing guys is that if you want to book one-on-one reading for online tarot reading via WhatsApp video call, Zoom video call and a Skype video call, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yes, let's start. This is the reading for Leos for the month of July 2020. Okay, this is for the second time I laid out the cards, so I am not removing it because the energies will be mixed then. Okay, then I won't be able to record your video. That's why I'm not shuffling the cards again. I want to read these cards only. Okay, so yes, so this is on the 4 topics: romance, career, relationship and finance. In your romantic love life we have Ace of Wands. Okay, so this is your romance card. Okay, so first we have Ace of Wands. Lot of new opportunities are waiting for you. Okay, in the past a lot of confusion was there, a lot of endings was there into your romantic love life. You were really feeling very sad, depressed, lonely into your romantic love life. Okay, and a lot of confusion was there, lot of sadness was there. You felt a lot of betrayal, deception, dishonesty from your romantic partner. Okay, you had a lot of confused energy, but I think currently in the month of July you will be gaining a lot of opportunities. New opportunities will be coming into your life. Okay, and I also feel that a rebirth will be happening for you guys in the month of July. Okay, yes, and this rebirth will be very important. Yeah, sorry for the disturbance guys. So yeah, a major rebirth will be happening for you guys. A major transformation will be taking place for you guys because you have a lot of confused energy, and those will be released and a new rebirth will be happening. New life changing moment will be taking place. A lot of new opportunities will be coming into your life, into your romantic love life. Okay, into your career life. Okay, so if you were going through some sort of issues into your career, okay, those karmic cycle is coming to an end. Okay, you have a high intuition level when it comes to your career life. You have a purpose, what are you supposed to do and what you want to do. You have a clear purpose in life. Okay, I think you have a proper knowledge about how you want to move forward in life. Okay, you are being, if you were indecisive in the past when it comes to your career related thing, those things will be cleared up and you will be victorious when it comes to career. You will be having a high intuition level because you will be regaining your power back when it comes to your life purpose, your life goal. What are those things which you are supposed to do in life? Okay, how you want to move forward in life. So everything will be there. Okay, and you will be highly courageous in this month because you have a plan, you know how to execute it. You are just going through it and you will be executing and implementing your thoughts and your career plans. And if there was any confusion regarding your career, if there was any indecisiveness when it comes to your career, those will be coming to an end and a new beginning will be there into your life. Okay, and I feel it will be really helpful for you because demolishing of a bad cycle, bad situation, toxic cycle will be coming to an end and a new beginning will be there into your career. Okay, so now when we talk about your romantic love life, okay, so I'm picking up 2 energies over here. Okay, the people who are heartbroken in a relationship. Okay, and the people who are heartbroken because of a third party situation. Now here, third party situation doesn't really mean a new lover, but a third party situation also involves a family member, friend, colleague, anyone who is interfering into a connection. Okay, so yes, so I can see that, yeah, if you had a heartbroken situation when it comes, which involves marriage, a third party situation, and either you left you a person in the out in the cold, or the other person left you in the out in the cold. Okay, either of the one who left out in the cold, they'll be coming back into your life. I basically feel that your person left out in the cold with no communication, okay, or less communication, so they'll be coming back into your life. And if there was a hold, if there was a separation into a long distance relationship, okay, then a reconciliation, a major reconciliation, a major breakthrough will be happening into your life. Okay, the second energy I'm picking up is that the people who are into a relationship, but have no communication. Okay, so you might be feeling sad, depressed, worried, having sleepless nights. Okay, and you are daydreaming about this connection, having a connection again into this life. Okay, meeting your soul person, soulmate. So this is a spiritual connection, twin flame connection for both of the energies. People who are married are into separation, people who are into a relationship but also are into separation, both have a twin flame connection. Okay, because this is all about twin flame connection. Okay, 1111. Okay, so a major breakthrough is happening into your love life, Leos. Okay, and the people who are single, a new life, your divine masculine or divine feminine might enter into your love life. Okay, singles. But people who are into a relationship, a major reconciliation might be happening, not in the month of June, but in the month of August. It might be happening. The action will be taken in the month of August, but the preparation, your person will start preparing how they want to approach you, how they want to proceed further, how they want to get connected with you again. But the action will be taken in the month of August, in the end of July, or in the month of August. Okay, but the preparation, they'll start preparing, they'll start trying to approach you in the month of July. Okay, like approach you in the sense they will be mentally prepared, like how they want to approach towards you, because they have a lot of fearful energy right now. I think they have a lot of energy where they feel that how they want to proceed further, and how they will move towards you, and how they will feel towards you if they'll reach out. Okay, how you will if you reject them. Okay, so all these questions are popping in your connections head. Okay, so for sure. Okay, so yeah, yeah, you will be shining bright. I think someone is coming towards you with a it will be a head over heels wala connection. So they'll be coming towards you, and I feel this connection will not be a simple one. It will be a spiritual connection, divinely guided, divine masculine, divine feminine connection. Okay, so do not take it lightly, because a reconciliation in a marriage is happening, a reconciliation in a relationship is happening, and major decisions will be taken by your person regarding a situation, because they are going through different two choices, evaluating the pros and cons in two choices. Okay, so those they'll be taking a major decision, and this is going to change your entire life. Okay, yes. So let's talk about your financial things. Okay, in the month of July, how it will be. So you are waiting for some sort of money to come. Okay, I think you are waiting for some sort of money to come. You are moving forward when it comes to your financial gains, because you cannot wait for so long in a stuck energy. That's why you want to proceed further, and you want to build your own empire. You want to be the king of your financial gains. Okay, and now you are releasing all the burdens, problems when it comes to your financial matters, and you are moving forward to take an action that how you want to proceed further into your financial things, into your financial life. Okay, yeah, in your finances, you are evaluating between the pros and cons, how you want to proceed further, and what are those things you are supposed to do. Okay, but yeah, I think God is guiding you. There is divine interference into your financial matters. I think for so long you have been waited for your financial gains, okay, financial projects, okay. So now you will be gaining a lot of financial abundance into the month of July and August, like, okay. And also you will be getting new projects into your financial life, and new projects, new clients might be coming into your life for the same. And I think that will be really helping you out to move forward into your life, okay. But also there has to be a decision made, like there has to be decision made into your financial life, okay. So that decision will be a major one, okay. So evaluation between the pros and the cons will be taking place for you guys, okay. So yes, so do not worry about it for sure. So yeah, overall I think your romantic love life will change, and your career life will also change, and it will be a drastic change. It will not be a slow change. Like I think there in one of the situation there will be a rapid change where you won't even realize that you have gone through a major change for sure, okay. So yeah, that is really good. Major changes will be happening. One important thing, guys, kindly subscribe to my channel and help us to give us kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. Kindly like, share and comment down below what kind of videos you would like to watch in the tarot readings, okay. And yeah, if you want to book my session, the details are given in the description box below, okay. So we have a devil energy and the star, okay. So the devil energy is all about yes, the people who are thinking to interfere into your connection, okay, they'll be coming, those devil energies will be coming to an end, because there won't be any third party situation anymore. Universe is telling you that. The second is the star. So you will be regaining your power back in the month of July. You will be having a clear vision. What are you supposed to do? How you want to move forward? How you want to take these challenges and you move, and you how you want to undertake these challenges, and you want to convert it into financial gains and opportunities, okay. So those will be coming into your life, okay, for sure, okay. And I think this will be a major life changing event for you guys, okay. Yes, this month will be all about changes, major transformation, major changes will be happening, major actions will be taken in the month of Leo, in the life of Leos, okay. So Leo, you will be going through major changes for sure. You won't even realize it, but you will be going through it, okay. Yes. So what are the wow. So your partner is coming towards you in the month of July, okay. 6 and 6 is all about commitment, major commitment, okay. So they are coming with an offer of love. Yes, King of Wands, your energy. So yeah, your person is coming towards you with an offer of love, and they want a solid commitment, and there has to be a major decision made by your side. Some sort of solid decision will be made from your side, and they have to end a situation. They'll be ending a third party situation either, or else they'll be ending some sort of situation, and then they'll be coming towards you. But you have to make some sort of decision towards this connection, whether you want to stay in this connection or you want to move forward. But yeah, you will be creating your own energies, like you will be the creator of your own life. What are you supposed to do? You will be taking your own decisions in life, which is really good, okay. So yes, Yeah, moment to moment, so there will be a solid movement will be taking place. 2 is all about foundation, taking a major decisions, and special movements. So yeah, moment to moment, so there will be back to back changes into your life. Like, you will be surprised that how many changes are taking place into your, into your life, into your personal life. Okay, so some sort of back to back special moments will be taking place for you guys. Okay, and those changes will not be just normal, it will be a super cool changes. Like, whatever your dreams were, one of the wishes might be coming true in the month of July for you guys. Whatever you wanted, from something you wanted for so long. Okay, so those will be coming into your life. Okay, and I think those will be major changes, I guess. Okay, so yeah, what are the 3 healing messages for you guys? Healing messages for the healthy joyous life. If my loved ones are in pain, I do not try to smoother them with love. Trying to make them happy. I can support them and allow them a space to experience their feelings. Healthy message for a healthy body. I feel safe and secure in the world. I have multiple families who help me to feel like I belong and I am supported and have a say. Healing message for living in the society. Every phase in life brings its unique joy and sense of purpose. So yeah, you are going through some internal, knowing yourself. You are having a sense that self awareness is really important and self purpose is really important. So you are reaching to a higher level of a spiritual awakening, and you know what are you supposed to do in life. And I think that's the best thing, and because that will create a major situation into your life. Okay, major transformation, major changes will be taking place for you guys in the month of July. Okay, there might be, if you were waiting for your financial gains, financial things, financial stability, those will be taking place into in the month of July. It won't be happening all of a sudden, but yeah, things will start moving forward. You might not be knowing it, but internally, divinely, it will all be happening at once. Okay, so do not worry about it, because this is the time of endings and new beginnings. Okay, so ending has taken place, now it's time of for new beginnings in the month of July. Okay, so a new chapter of life will be starting, a new life will be starting for you guys in the month of July. Okay, and that's the best part, I guess. Okay, so yes, I always wanted to tell you that you will be regaining your power back this time, and I am so happy for you guys, Leos, because after so long you will be into your own power. You will be regaining your power back, and that's the most important thing for everyone out there. And I think that's the best part, because regaining your power back will help you out to take a solid decision of your life. What are those things which you are supposed to do into your life? Okay, and that's the best part. Okay, so yes guys, the tarot decks I'm using is the Sacred Indian Tarot deck, the Osho Zen Tarot deck, the Body Mind Makeover Tarot deck, and also the original Rider wet tarot deck. Okay, so details are given of the tarot decks in the description box below. One important thing guys is that we are really working hard to cross 1000k subscribers. Okay, so kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ask your friends, family and relatives to help us to cross 1000 subscribers. Okay, and if you want to book one-on-one session with me, tarot reading, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, and if you want to book online tarot learning workshop, the details are given in the description box below, and there is a 10 days and 15 days workshop, so I hope you will like it for sure. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much guys. We'll meet you next time. Okay, so yeah, and kindly like, share and comment down below how was this reading.